CapCut has received an update for the Android version of the app. As a result, many settings have been moved to different positions and can be accessed in a different way. We have already made a video on this topic, and you can watch it by clicking on the card in the upper right corner of the screen. If you have the latest version of CapCut, stay tuned until the end of this video. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, open the settings by tapping the settings icon in the top right corner. Then, click on Manage Account. In the Connected Accounts section, you'll see 3 apps you can link your CapCut account with. To link it with TikTok, simply tap on the link button next to it. A new page will appear where CapCut will ask for access to your TikTok account. You'll need to give consent by agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. You can do this by clicking on the Continue button. Wait a few seconds and your CapCut account will be successfully linked to your TikTok account. Now, you can easily export edited videos from CapCut directly to TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. For more tips, subscribe to the channel and check out other tutorials.